the whole thing for a 35 footer, which is what that is. It'd be like 800 minus the 500.
So finally $800.
It's 400. It's 800 to get one and put it in.
You know, it's
Installed.
the birdhouse is holding that one in.
Yeah, that's what it is. Just trying to get a line on that thing.
So that one's almost cut. Those are almost coming out, aren't they?
Eh,
They're only hanging by.
it's still in about 4 feet. That one there was really high. It was leaning over, and the city's ice melted it, and the wind blew. I think a bird landed on it and it fell. I lasted.
Where's the boat that was like shit-faced?
That one. You mean it was iced in?
That's it.
As soon as it melted,
Does it cause damage?
I don't know, but they called the guy. I intercepted him. He was on the dock checking on it. They put a propeller under it like a few weeks ago after the ice melted. I was gonna have him sink that, but it fell. So I guess I'll put it back if he ever gets in here next week. So.
Major tape measure.
Seven and 7/8.
7, 7, 8.
Lose the line.
Lose the line. Gotcha.
This one's 7 3/4.
$16.25.
Yes. Little left.
Oh. Too much.
They get smaller. They get smaller now as you go. That's a good one. Whatever you just did. Good enough.
You got any Batten material? You got any Batten material?
Should we flash that up there somehow? Remember we were talking about that?
I don't think you really need to.
It's gonna be a butt right up to the base of that thing. It's
He
gonna
said
be
butt.
under it.
Yeah. You need 2 more, a little less than 16 and 4.
It's going to be
I don't know how you flash it though.
I don't think you need to.
Good. One more.
One more?
Yeah.
That all she wrote?
That's. We'll take a little bit off that.
Feeling good, Lewis.
Oh, it's pretty close. Come on.
Nah, take it a little more.
You didn't do anything.
Did I put it against the lady? Caught it. Where's your tool?
There's a turkey. My tool.
I'm gonna start this one out.
This one good?
Huh? You like that? You like that? I can't get it to work.
This is 2.5 inches, and that matches that up there.
Okay, but what's it gonna look like on the front side?
Well, I think it sort of matches what's on top. So, right, let me hold it up so you can see. So, if
And then you're ripping that to
if
size.
you cut this to like 9 inches, it will do this.
Some men are longer than others.
Actually, that won't look bad.
And you cut it off right at the, even with that other one over there.
You slice that out.
Yep, and you slide that in and do a miter joint over here. And then you got this 2.5 inch thing, which is equal to the top up.
So you want it exactly? Yeah, that'll look nice.
You think?
It matches the window then too.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Well,
Or the other thing is
Maybe you
3.5, and then it comes down here to this.
make it match the corner piece. That's what I would do. So whatever the corner
Well,
is.
we don't. Then we're hanging this off of PVC, not off of
Yeah, but-
sheathing under it.
Yeah, but we can do a spacer in the back of it.
Right. Well, what we were gonna do is do the spacer here, and
Yep.
we're gonna do a butt joint, and then stick it on the inside of the miter joint, right? So it goes around here,
Right.
and then this.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So
Spacer.
basically, use scraps and make a one of these under here,
Right.
And then nail this to it.
Yeah, that'll work.
So you like the
I like
matching this?
I like matching this only because it keeps the baseboard kind of.
I think
a look.
that's makes the two.
So,
about the same
yeah,
dimension.
match this, and then it doesn't look as.
I agree.
But yeah, that works. Good job, Wes.
Everybody, give it to me. I want you to believe every word I say. I want you to believe everything I do. I say music is what I've got, baby, and I gotta find some way to make it. Music is what I've got, baby. I want you to come on and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Oh yeah, yeah. Na 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 oh yeah. Come on, funky, funky, funky. A funky king soda is what I've got for you now. Oh yeah, a funky king soda, yeah, it's what I've got for you. Funky king soda, oh you know, oh yeah. Let me hear your funky guitar. Your reggae. I do. Here, play nice. Give it to me. Yeah, lick it to me. Na, 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 na.